All right, good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. You are all welcome back to BRAINYBITE tutorial. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, please, we are BRAINYBITE tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we teach you guys how to pass jamb post UTME and give you updates concerning jamb post UTME, and as well assist you gain admission. Okay, that's basically what we'll do here. We'll give out all information you need to know about jamb and admission. All right, so today I don't want to waste much of our time because I know that most of us, we don't like watching lengthy video. We don't like watching video that's very long. Okay, that's basically why I will not waste our time, so I will go straight to the point. Today, if you look at our board, you will see that we'll have the topic of today as the list of documents needed for post UTME examination. Of course, I've explained everything that has to do with post UTME on my last video. Okay, you can go and check it out. Post UTME 2024 post UTME examination. You can go and check it out. I explained everything about post UTME because so many of us don't even know that after jamb UTME examination, that there's another exam that you need to sit, which is post UTME examination, but they don't know. So that's the reason why I've taken much of my time to put other content there for them so that I can be able to learn some things from there. So I know after that some persons came to ask me like, what are the documents that we need during registration? So during registration or the examination time, so that we know I will get ourselves prepared. So that is why I have also come to answer this question. The reason why I answer this question here on my platform is because I know that there are some persons out there that will have this kind of question. Maybe probably they might not know who they ask, and they might not have somebody to ask. So when any question that my candidate ask me, I will make sure that I come here to answer the question so that even you out there, you can equally benefit from here. Okay, so what you only do is to subscribe to this our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing update, just like the one you are watching very now, so right now YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. So just like the way I promised us, I'll be dropping updates back to back. So it is not it is advised you subscribe and turn on the bell notification, because I'll be dropping updates back to back. I'll be dropping updates so that you don't miss out with anything that has to do with your school, because we are dropping all schools updates here on this channel. And I want to also remind you that we'll have a WhatsApp community. All right, so we'll have a WhatsApp community for our registered candidates. So if you want to become one of us, you want to join us on our WhatsApp community, what you will only do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then let me know in the comment section that you want to join our WhatsApp page. All right, so I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number so that you can message me on WhatsApp and I will add you on our WhatsApp page. All right, so that there you will learn a whole lot of things and also benefit a whole lot from there. And as well, all the informations you need or everything that has to do with your admission will be sorted out there also. Okay, so that's basically how. So let's go into the video, because I don't want this video to be very lengthy, just like the way I told you guys. I don't want it to be very lengthy. So the first document on our list, the first document, so you can take your paper and pencil, you can take your paper and biro, anything you want to use to jot it down, so I cannot be able to so that I can be able to remember it. But if you cannot, you can still save the video on your phone, so that when you feel like you don't really remember it again, you can call up the video and watch it back again. All right, so that you don't miss out. That's why I'm here to give you all of this update, so stay tuned. So the first one on our list is your original jamb result. Although I know that jamb result is not out for 2024. All right, so they will soon activate the result online, so I can be able to print your original jamb result. So your original jamb result is that result. It will carry your passport, it will carry your passport, it will carry your biodata, it will carry the institution you choose as your first choice and your course. All right, so that's what you need. You need your original JAMB result. All right, your original JAMB result, the one that is carrying your passport. That's basically what you need. All right, so number 2 on our list is your O-level certificate. O-level certificate. I know that some of us don't have the certificate, the main certificate, but even if you don't have the main certificate, you will go with the online printout. Online, that first printout. All right, so you go with the computer printout, which is that first one. If you don't have the original certificate, that first printout is very, very important. In some cases, you need WAEC scratch card. In some cases, you need WAEC scratch card. Right, WAEC scratch card is important. In some cases, you need, because why I said in some cases, because it's not all schools that will require WAEC scratch card. Some schools we want to require scratch card, but not all schools. All right, so that's why I said in some cases you need WAEC scratch card. So the third on our list is online post-UTME registration printout. You know, after registration of your post-UTME, they will give you acknowledgement slip. All right, so it is that acknowledgement slip that is also involved. You need that acknowledgement slip. All right, so you need it. So that is the online post-UTME registration printout. All right, are we grabbing? Are we understanding? Are we taking note down? All right, now let's go to the next one. We have screening scheduled printout. Screening schedule printout. Screening schedule printout. So some schools will not, just like the way JAMB did, after registration, then you have to do reprinting of slip to know your exam date, venue and time. So some schools will also do like that. It's not some schools, any school that is conducting, yes, all schools, not some school, all schools, any schools conducting post-UTME examination, you will definitely need to do reprinting of slip, just like the way you did during JAMB after registration. Then few weeks after, you did reprinting of slip to know your exam date, time and venue. So same thing with post-UTME. So we need to do reprinting of slip. That is the fourth one on our list, which is the screening schedule printout. All right, you will go along with that one that is carrying your venue, your time, the day, venue and time of your exam. Basically, that's what you need. And the fifth on our list is birth certificate. Birth certificate. You need birth certificate. It is very, very important. You need birth certificate. If you don't have birth certificate, you need age declaration. Right, we call it affidavit. You need affidavit. All right, you show affidavit, or you have your birth certificate. All right, so if you don't have birth certificate and you don't know where to get your birth certificate, you can still message me for that. All right, you can still message me. I told you guys before that I'm here to solve every problem that has to do with your admission. Yes, that's what I'm here to help you, so you don't face any stress during your admission processes. All right, so now this number 6 on our list is also, we have local government of origin certificate. Yes, local government certificate, LGA, your local government certificate. Right, that certificate certifies that you are a citizen of Nigeria. You are a citizen of your local government, so you need it. Very, very important. So now the last but not the least is the JAMB UTME registration slip. The JAMB UTME registration slip, you need it. In some cases, not all school might require it, but you have to go along with it. Though before then, they will also have to let you guys know the materials or list of documents you need to come with. Some will require these documents during registration processes. All right, they will require it. So that's where I will that's the end of our list, the JAMB UTME registration slip. All right, so this is where we'll be ending this particular video for today. So if you have watched from the beginning to this very part, I really do appreciate. Please don't forget to leave without giving us your subscription. All right, it is very important. All right, so because you are not paying for it, it's basically free. Okay, so you subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you turn on the bell notification, so whenever I upload any amazing updates, YouTube will notify you. All right, don't forget, I promise to be giving you guys updates back to back. All right, so that's what I'll be giving you guys, updates back to back. So when you subscribe, you'll be getting the updates. All right, so if you want anything, if you have any problem or any challenges you are facing at all, you want me to do anything for you concerning your jamb or concerning your admission, concerning anything whatsoever, or you have low jamb score and you want to enter school this year, okay, you let me know in the comment section. All right, so that I can be able to add you to my students WhatsApp group. All right, there you can message me and we can talk and I'll help you out. All right, that's basically what I'm here to do for you. All right, so please, I love all my subscribers, I love you guys, I love everybody. Please, I love everybody. So okay, so thank you and remain blessed. I will see you guys, and until I see you guys again. All right, don't forget that BRAINYBITE love you guys. Okay, keep winning all.